Hey everybody, welcome back to another video of the Ted Bros YouTube channel, and today we're going to be doing another video on the Rubik's Cube. I know you guys really enjoyed our last video on that, and in this video I'm going to be showing you 5 different Rubik's Cube patterns that you can put on your Rubik's Cube to give it another touch. The first formula that we're going to do today is called flower. So to make the flower, you hold it in this position, move this side up twice, bottom piece to the right twice, then this piece up twice again, top piece left 2 times, this piece up twice again, then you're going to rotate the front piece clockwise twice. Then you move the top piece to the left twice, bottom piece to the right twice, front piece twice again, and top piece to the left twice. There you go, you have sort of a flower looking thing, and to move it back to the regular cube, you just do the same thing in opposite order. And guys, all of these formulas I found on this website that I'll put in the video description below, so if you want to check out more patterns, you can check out that website. It's a good website. The second pattern that we're going to do is called 6 spots. So to make 6 spots, turn the top left once, bottom left once, right up once, left up once, rotate the front once, then you go to the back, you rotate the back once to the right, move the top to the left, and move the bottom to the left. There you go, you have 6 spots all in the center, and remember to move it back to the regular cube, you just do the same thing in the opposite way. Alright, the next pattern is called 4 crosses. And now for this one, we're all going to be doing 2 rotations in the same movement. So take this, move it to the left twice, up twice, down twice, move the front twice, and move the back twice this way. Move the bottom twice to the right, move the left down twice, right up twice, move the front twice to the right, and move the back twice again. And there you go, you have 4 crosses all along the side. Fourth formula is called Tetris. So to do Tetris, move the left down once, right up once, move the front once, then move the back once this way. Move the top to the right, move the bottom to the left, left up, and right down. There you go, you have something what it looks like from the game Tetris. And now for the last formula, which is my personal favorite. It's called the cube in the cube. Now this one is a little bit longer than the other ones, but it looks cool at the end. So you move the front once this way, left piece down, front once again, rotate the top, right up, top to the left, front down twice, left down twice, then the top to the right, left up, move the back, then move the bottom, move the back up, go, and now move the top. There you go, you got a cube and a cube. Kind of cool looking. You got it all around the cube. That's my favorite one. I'm finishing putting it back now. Left. Up. Boom. Those are your 5 patterns that can help you make cool patterns in the Rubik's Cube. Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching. I hope you like these patterns. If you want to see more of them, go to the link in the video description below. And don't forget to click that subscribe button. It really helps us out a lot. And don't forget to check out our playlists, our shorts and our videos. There's some cool stuff there. So be sure to check that out, and we'll see you next time.